Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to an AI tool that creates viral ready short videos literally under 3 minutes. You heard that correct. And I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as Clipwise. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned, welcome to what is known as Clipwise. And you guys, you should already know that yes, this is an AI tool that creates viral ready short videos literally within 3 minutes, as I have stated previously. Now you guys also need to understand that this is great for multiple formats. So what do I mean? Well, we're talking about faceless videos, we're talking about AI host, we're talking about quizzes, we're talking about Reddit style, and we are talking about business video. Now, something else that I think is important to mention, especially in my own opinion, is that whenever you get onto a new platform, you want it to be easy, right? Well, this is easy to use. We're talking about simple form-based interface instead of complex editing tools, which we should all know are horrible, okay? So this is easy to use. They've got a lot of key features. So we're talking about AI-powered script writing. They got lifelike voiceovers. They got voice cloning, and they even have AI host. And something else, guys, exclusive offer. Listen to this: 60% off on the annual plan. And this is for a limited amount of time. All right, so you guys need to understand that. All right, so rather than say doing direct promotion, I want you guys to understand you can actually structure videos around compelling narratives, right? You can actually use curiosity hooks, engaging storytelling. Not only that, but I want you guys to understand that Clipwise, well, it is seamless. All right, so me myself, I've actually struggled with content creation until I found this AI hack. Okay, I need you guys to understand that. All right, and something else that's really cool to mention is that, did you know that actually some creators actually make about $30,000 a month with AI videos? All right, so let me go ahead and actually just kind of show you here. All right, so once again, we got what is known as Clipwise, you guys. A lot of important details here. You guys will actually see we have your content, any format. So as we've already briefly mentioned, we got like a faceless video, we got AI host, we got quiz, we even have Reddit style. And you guys can see right here who actually uses Clipwise. Well, we got businesses, okay? Very important, right? And create videos at scale to generate more leads at traction of agency cost, right? Let's say at the fraction, and you guys can see right here with literally no technical expertise needed. Okay, and obviously content creators, right, such as me and you, automate your viral content creation and start earning without spending hours of editing. So you guys can see right here, so popular use cases, they got like product demos, company news, promotional updates, service showcase, and client testimonials. All these are really important, especially for businesses. Right now, for this one, right, we got viral short videos, daily vlogs, tutorial content, we even have trend reactions, and we even have educational content, right? So you can create viral videos in 3 easy steps, you guys. So obviously you need to input your idea and select your format, right? You can see that right there, pretty easy and simple. So enter your idea or provide the reference web link with language and formats. And after that, you review, script, and choose a narrator. That's awesome. I like that. So choose a lip sync, AI host, and voiceover. Okay, you can actually refine the script. You can preview your AI generated short video. And finally, step number 3, you give the finishing touch to your video. You can incorporate, say, music, add overlays, position captions to give the video a polished look, okay? And yeah, you guys, you can even download, share, and get viral, okay? Viral short video AI toolkit. This is actually pretty cool. Versatile trending video formats and themes. AI viral script writer. So, and you guys will see right here, we got your voice perfectly cloned, diverse AI host, and human-like voiceovers available in 10 languages, all right? So look at this. Creative freedom, fair pricing, okay? Once again, they got that yearly thing, right? But as I mentioned, you guys, you can actually get get 60%. All right. That's for a limited amount of time. All right. So let me just go ahead and break it down to you guys. All right. So a lot of important details, easy script writing, right? For any type of specific niche. They got seamless visual theme customizations for any brand aesthetic. Not only that, we have customized narration with your preferred voice or clone your own. Not only that, you guys, they got effortless scene by scene customization for AI generated scripts. You can actually personalize background music to set the perfect tone. You can customize caption settings for viral style impact. And not only that, but you can actually do video overlays for a viral style look. Okay. So, I mean, there's a lot of things that you can actually do here. Okay, so I'm going to highly recommend you guys go up here to this sign up. Okay, once you go to sign up, you guys are going to be able to sign in, right? So let's actually go ahead and do that really quick. And you guys will see what the overall format actually looks like here. Okay, so I want you guys to understand, I mean, there's a lot of things as mentioned. Okay, but there's a lot of things that you can actually complete here. You can go to what is known as the media kit. Let's see what else we got here. We got the dashboard. Obviously, that's going to be important. So you can go to like top 10 facts about space. You could do, I don't know, let's do cinematic. And you actually click on generate, right? And you guys can see that right there. You can actually choose a voice that you would like. Okay, so just kind of an example here. So we can do this one professional. Okay, and you guys can see right here, script reviewing, right? Approximately 84 seconds. And you guys can see audio scripts, right? So many different ones that you can actually choose from, which is actually pretty cool in my opinion, right? So we're going to be able to just basically, I mean, you're going to be able to add more, do whatever you'd like to do, but you can click on next, right? And you guys can see right here, pretty easy and simple. So let me just tell you guys really quick. I mean, listen, you could do like one video, or let's say $1 per video, right? Video cost to traditional, say, video production or just other platforms. I mean, we're talking about $500 to $2,000, right? Not only that, as I mentioned, I mean, we got that 60% discount on the annual plan. I want you guys to understand that they have a whole bunch of other important details as well, okay, which is actually pretty critical.
Did you know the universe is 13.8 billion years old? Buckle up as we explore the cosmos with 10 mind-bending facts. Space facts. There are about 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Astronomers discover new galaxies, expanding our understanding of space every day.
Okay, so yeah, you guys kind of understand exactly how this works, right? You guys kind of saw what I was doing. You can go, you can change the music, right? You can change the video speed. I mean, you can even change like the captions, right? You could do a lot of different things here. You can even change the background music if you would like to, right? But everything right here, you can see it was AI picked, which is very important, right? So as I briefly mentioned, you guys, I mean, you could do what, like $1 per video cost to, say, traditional video productions that cost anywhere between like $500 to $2,000. Okay, they even got the 60% discount that's on annual plans. I want you guys to understand, I mean, time savings. I mean, we're talking about 2 minutes versus 2 days per video, right? This literally does like everything for you. All right, so you guys need to understand that. Okay, so be sure to check this out. Once again, you guys, I mean, you do not want to miss out at all. Okay, I think that this is an awesome platform. I think a lot of people are definitely you know, going to join. Me personally, I think it's a killer deal, and I kind of want to join myself, right? So you guys will see that once you're officially done, you just click right there and click next, and that's literally all you have to do. And you can see it says bringing up your video, it will start shortly, right? So important you guys understand how easy and simple this is, as mentioned. And you just go up here once again to create new video. I mean, I'm going to highly recommend that you guys check it out. The links, as stated, they are going to be down below. All right, a lot of opportunity, a lot of things here. You guys can see, you know, it happens within 3 minutes. All right, so let me know what you think. So ladies and gents, there you have it. If you will, be sure to leave some comments down below and tell me, what do you think? More importantly, are you going to be signing up? Leave a comment, smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and click the links down in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Let's get it.